Everybody, welcome back to CST Home Learning for Movers 1A with me again, Miss Ida. Okay, it's been a long time that I didn't teach you. Now I'm back to teach you again in this home learning for today, Tuesday, 7th April 2020. Okay, are you ready to study? Let's move to the next slide. Okay, so for today, we're going to do 3 activities. While first is review time. We will review the vocabulary that you learned in Unit 9. In Unit 8. And then after that, we move to our grammar book. It's grammar book time. And the last is speaking practice. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's start from activity 1. That's a review. In here, you just need to choose whether it is a countable noun or uncountable noun. Okay? Okay, you remember what's this? Yeah, it's a potato. Now, for a potato, it is a countable noun or it is an uncountable noun. Is it uncountable or countable noun? Yeah, you're right. Because this is you can count 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. So because you can put number before the noun, that means it is a countable noun. Right. Let's move to the next picture. Butter. How about butter? Is it a countable or uncountable noun? Remember, butter, if it's something like a bar like this, you cannot count. So it means butter is an uncountable noun. Yep, you're right. Good. Next, move to the next picture. How about salt? Countable or uncountable noun? Can you count 1 salt, 2 salt? No. Yeah, it's absolutely uncountable noun. Yeah. If something like salt or sugars, something powdery, you cannot count. Yeah. How about eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. Countable or uncountable noun? Yeah. Since you can count them, that means they are countable nouns. They are eggs. Next, meat. How about meat? Countable or uncountable noun? Yeah, uncountable noun. Except it is counted with measurement, like 1 kilo of 1 kilo of meat or 2 kilos of meat. Yeah, with the measurement, yes, you can count. But in here, meat without any measurement, without any container, oh, so that means you cannot count. Melon. Can you say 1 melon, 2 melons, 3 melons? Yeah, you're right. So that means melon, we consider it as countable noun. Great. How about cake? A slice of cake. Cakes. Have you ever heard cakes? Yeah. If you can put s at the end of the noun, as it represents the thing that is more than one, That means that is countable. Yeah, countable. Would you like some cakes? I'd, I'd like a cake. So you can count it. Coffee. How about coffee? Countable or uncountable now? Yeah. If it's something liquid like coffee or milk or water, that means it is an uncountable noun. Except you say with the container, like 1 cup of coffee or 2 cups of coffee. Okay, you can count it, but only coffee itself, you cannot count. How about oranges? Here, there are more than one oranges. Countable or uncountable now? Yeah, countable now. Right, because you can count. 1, 2, 3. Right. Yeah. Awesome. You can answer all the questions correctly. Well done. Okay, now let's move to part 2 or activity 2, that is grammar book time. Please open your grammar book, turn to page 43. There we go. Now, we learned about would like. Now, would like, it has the short form. The short form is it like. It like. So you erase the using of WOUL, you erase them, and then you change with apostrophe and D. Would like. So I would, I'm sorry for this one. I would like, can you read this? Oh, okay. I would like, you can make it short by, okay, deleting this letter. You change with an apostrophe. It becomes I'd like. Okay. It is the same when if I change the subject with she. She would like, it becomes she'd like. So it like. Okay? So would like has a short form. It is it like. Oh. And it is used to say what we want. Okay? You use that phrase to say what you want. For example, I'd like some tea, please. I'd like some tea, please. Or I'd like an apple, please. Okay? Easy, right? Would like, when we use it for a question, it is used to offer something. Okay? Offer is, it means menawarkan. Nah, we used to offer something to somebody. So the rule, simple like this. Would, and then followed by the subject here, and then like, and then you put here the thing that you would like to offer. Okay, for example, would you like would you like some cakes? Would you like some cakes? Here, look, would, and then the subject, and then like, and then after that followed by the thing that you would like to offer. Would you like some cakes? And then the answer, whether it is yes or no, you have to say, if it's yes, you say yes, please. Or if it's not, you say no, thanks. Would you like some cakes? Yes, please. Or would you like some cakes? no thanks. Okay. Easy, right? Easy. Alright, so now let's move to page 43. We're gonna do exercise 3 and 4. Okay, part 3, you have to read the instruction first. Write the affirmative sentence. Affirmative, that means the positive one. Use would like, an, or some. Okay. Would like first. After that, before the noun, you have to put a or an if it's only one, or more than one, or something that you cannot count, you put some before the noun. Here my explanation. In case you forgot, I explain you again. Look at the table here. Can you read together? A, an, and. Are the article a and it means want. It is used for something you can count or countable noun. But the difference is a or a is for the nouns that begin with consonant sound. Remember consonant? B, C, D, F, G, H until Z. Okay? For example, hit like a banana. Why I use a banana, not an banana? Because banana starts with a consonant letter B. This is consonant. Okay, got it? While an is for the nouns that begin with a vowel sound. What are the vowel sounds? A, I, U, E, O. For example, I'd like an egg. I say an egg. Look, I use the article and instead of a because egg, it starts with a vowel sound. Okay? I'd like an egg, not I'd like an egg. Okay? Got it? While some here, some is for both countable noun and uncountable noun. You can count and you cannot count both of them. You can use some. Remember, for countable noun, it refers to something that is more than one. Okay? For example, I'd like some cheese. Remember cheese? It's like chocolate. You cannot count it. So you write, I'd like some cheese for my sandwich. And in the second example, she'd like some apples. Some apples with S here. It means more than one. So you just add some instead of an apples. Okay, got it? Easy, right? So now let's turn to number 1 here. That grapes. You write here the subject. After the subject, you put would. That would like. Now the thing is grape. Grapes with S. That means more than one. So you use a, an, or some. Yeah, because it is more than one, you have to put some. Some grapes. Okay, easy, right? Now after that, you move to part 4. Part 4, look at the pictures. Write questions. This is the question. Start with would like and then write the replies. The replies you have to look, yes or no means you'll have to look at the picture and the sign. If it's a cross, that means no thanks. If it's a cross, sorry. If it's a thick, it means yes. If it's a cross, it means not. Okay? For example, 1. Would you like some grapes? The answer is a cross. So you have to say no thanks. Okay? Right. Easy? Got it? So please do all part 3 and part 4. Remember, after that, please take a picture of your work and send to me because I'm gonna score it. so the last one is speaking practice. Speaking practice, in this part, you need somebody to help you, either your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother, to do the dialogue. And then your phone to record you into a video. Okay, I have these easy steps. Speaking practice easy steps. How to do the speaking practice. Here it is. One is you read and answer the dialogues. Later, I'm gonna show you the way how to read and answer the dialogues. After you answer, you practice with your mom or your dad or somebody who can help you, and then also record into a video. Okay? And then three, after you're done, you submit the video through WhatsApp, and then after that, I'm gonna check it and then give you the feedback. You're gonna get your feedback. Okay, so let's move to the dialogues. This is the example only. Okay, here is the simple dialogue. So simple actually. Mini dialogue. I have 4 things here: sandwich, chocolate, cherries, and mango. Here, somebody will be A, and another one will be B. So you can choose will be A or B. If you choose to be A, that means you will ask question. If you choose to be B, that means you have to answer the question. Okay, so A will ask you using the words, using the noun, or using the thing in the box. My example, I'm gonna use chocolate. And then I turn to be A. That means there will be somebody to answer my question. I say, would you like some chocolate? And then B will say, yes, please. Okay, it's up to you. Want to answer whether yes or no. It depends on you. Or, for example, I want to be A, and then B will say no. Would you like some chocolate? No, thanks. Nah, like that. Easy, right? So now your turn to make 3 mini dialogues with these 3 things: sandwich, cherries, and mango. That means there will be 3 mini dialogues with 3 different answers. Okay, remember you can choose to be A or to be B, or maybe after that you can switch yourself with the one that will help you. Okay, so got it? Good luck. If you still have a question, so please feel free to ask me in the WhatsApp, through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Don't forget to wash your hands frequently with soap. Next, eating healthy food and stay at home. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting for your video and your result, the result of your work. And then see you in the next video. Bye bye.